This video is going to show you how to conduct and interpret a chi-square. So once we have our data in, we simply go down to the Analysis tab, click on Analysis, then under Non-Parametrics, there's the chi-square test of independence. I'll go ahead and select my first variable, gender, and I want to see if it's related to fatigue. And that's it. Put in gender, put in fatigue as your two variables, hit calculate. And this is the result. So first, there are assumptions associated with the chi-square test. And here it says adequate sample size was assessed, which requires all cells to have expected values greater than 0 and 80% of them to have expected values greater than 5, or at least 5. So all cells had expected values greater than 0, indicating the first condition was met, yay, and then 100% of the cells had frequencies, expected frequencies of at least 5, indicating the second assumption was met, great. So now when we look at the relationship between fatigue, low and high, and gender, we can see the chi-square results were significant. Anything less than 0.05 is significant. We're seeing that these things are related, gender and fatigue, to each other. Once we know that it's significant, really we just want to examine the observed number. So there's 21 individuals that are both male and low fatigue. And this is what was expected by chance. Okay, so the interpretation of the chi-square is that we just identify these observed and expected. So from the right up, you can see the following combinations had observed values that were greater than their expected, males in low and females in high. The following combinations had observed values that were less than their expected values, females low and males high. And then there's the APA table. And that's how you conduct the chi-square. And that's it.